Good day, everyone. We have a laptop that is coming from another computer repair shop. It's a Lenovo N24. The laptop looks like this. That's a mini laptop. That's the laptop. Yes, open. So this laptop came in for repair. It doesn't power on. According to the explanation, the customer bought another charger. He thought maybe it's a charger issue, but it's still with a new charger. The laptop is not coming on. So we have to fix this. We have the battery, we have the motherboard, SSD, network card, BIOS battery. Let's plug the power supply and see what this laptop is doing. Plug in the power supply. It's not taking any current. This is not supposed to happen. It's not taking any current. What we can check here. Here we have nothing. Here we have nothing. Let's check out the heatsink. The heatsink is out. Now, what can be faulty here? What can be the problem? Ground. I'm checking two capacitors connected on the 19 volts power line. You know those ceramic capacitors, one side is 19 volts and the other side is ground. 0, 0, 0, 0 volts. Diode modes. Checking for short. No. Or we can disconnect the battery, disconnect the charger. Let's check those capacitors for short. No, the capacitors are not shorted. So what's going on here? Why we don't have voltage on this motherboard? Plug in the charger. Checking on the charging port. Volts. We have nothing. We have nothing. Let's go on a microscope. Let's go on a microscope and check together. What do we have here? We have the charging port here. Let's plug in the power supply. I'll plug the power supply plugged. Let's check again what's going on here with the 19 volts. This is ground. This is plus. Here we have 19. Here we don't have 19. So what do you think is the problem? We have a broken charging port. Check here. Check this wire here. You see that wire? It's broken inside. This wire. Because this is the plus. So how we can fix this? We have a charging port problem here. The wire is broken. Let's try to do something here. This has to be a fast repair because I'm sure that is the problem. Soldering a wire here. We need to come with the we need to solder a wire. The plus wire is not having, this pin is not having contact with the plus. So now, let's press down this back to its position. I think we have to check out the motherboard to do like the proper thing here. But the issue is the charging port. Charging port is broken. That's the problem. We have a broken charging port and the 19 volts is not going to the motherboard. So we need the solder here. I think that's all what we have to do. Now we can check that mode. I will check from here the middle pin to this far end. So the charging port is good. let's put the motherboard and test. I've put back the motherboard. Now what we have to do, we have the touchpad connector. Yeah. Let's connect back the battery. Now we need to put hot glue so that this middle pin won't break again. We can use hot glue. Okay. I think we are ready to test. So let's connect back the main battery. Let's connect the power supply again. And it's now taking 10, 90, 800. It's now taking 800 milliamps. Probably this laptop is on already. And it's charging. You can see here, pressing the power on button. It's on. It's now taking 1.2 amps. Let's wait for something on the screen. It's taking 1 amp. We took out the BIOS, so probably we reset the motherboard, and it's working. It's charging, it's taking 1.3 amps, and it's loading Windows. So that was the problem of this laptop. It wasn't a charger problem, but the charging port, the middle pin. You know, on this mini laptop, we have the 2 wires, plus and minus. We don't have the charger ID pin. So the plus was disconnected from the charging port, and it was not sending the 19 volts to the motherboard. The laptop is working fine. Touchpad, everything. So even charging is taking 1.4 amps. For this kind of mini laptop, 1.4 amps is the right charging current. So what can I say? Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives. And see you on the next one. Bye.